Okay, so in this problem we're looking at finding the area of this triangle. Whenever you see the word altitude, the first thing that should come to mind is areas. Altitudes are used to find areas, so oftentimes when you got a problem about altitudes, you're going to use the area formula to find out the information that you need. So in this case, you think about your triangle, and your triangle might look something like this, where you got a 40 side, a 60 side, and an 80 side. Well, if you think about area, that means that the area is going to be the same no matter which of the three sides you use as the base. And so we need to figure out where is going to be the shortest altitude and where is going to be the longest. Well, the shortest altitude is going to happen with the biggest base, and so that length there, and we'll just go ahead and call that A. And then the longest altitude is going to happen with the shortest base because they end up getting multiplied together. So if you extend this over here and extend this down, this is the altitude B. But what really matters is that we multiply the base and the height together times 1/2 to get the area. So one way to find the area of this triangle is going to be 1/2 the altitude A times 80. And so 1/2 A80 is the area of this triangle. But we can also do the area of the triangle being 1/2 B times 40. Because this is our base and then B is our height. And these both represent the area of the same triangle, so you set them equal to each other. When you set them equal to each other, you can actually just divide by 1/2. And so that gives you 80A equals 40B. And then you can divide both sides by 40 to get 2A equals B. So the relationship is that the longest side is twice the shortest side. But notice it says then the shortest altitude is how much time the longest altitude. So we actually need to divide by 2 to get A equals 1/2 times B. And so the shortest altitude is actually 1/2 times the longest altitude. So K is 1/2. But it's all about finding area because you were given information about the side lengths and the altitudes.